Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, Krishna says that anyone who is trying to approach me to become Krishna conscious, at the same time he wants to become materially happy, he is not very intelligent. That means he is wasting his time. Our main business is how to become Krishna conscious. This is the main business of human life. But if we waste our time for material improvement and forget chanting, then that is loss, great loss. So such mentality, Krishna says, Ami bigga tare kano bishay dibo. So this rascal is asking some material prosperity from me by discharging devotional service. Why shall I give him material prosperity? Rather, whatever he has got, I shall take it up. Yes. It is not laughing. When it is taken away, we become very morose. But that is the test that is stated by Krishna himself to Yudhishthira Maharaj. Chashaham manigrinnami harisetad dhanam sanai. Yudhishthira Maharaj indirectly inquired from Krishna that we are completely dependent on you and still we are suffering materially so much that our kingdom is taken away, our wife is insulted, you are attempted to be burned in a house. So Krishna said, yes, that is my first business. Jasaham anugrinnami harisetad dhanam sanai. If I especially favor anybody, then I take away all his sources of income. Very dangerous. Yes. I have got my practical experience in this connection. Yeah. That is Krishna's special favor. I do not wish to narrate, but it is a fact. It is a fact. My Guru Maharaj ordered me when I was 25 years old that you go and preach. But I thought, first of all, I shall become a rich man and I shall use that money for preaching work. So, that's a long history. I got good opportunity for becoming very rich man in business. And some astrologer told me that you should have become like Birla. So there was some chances, very good chances. I was manager in a big chemical factory. I started my own factory. The business was very successful. But everything was dismantled. I was forced to come to this position to carry out my order of my Guru Maharaj. Akinchana Vidya. When everything was finished, then I took Krishna, that you are the only. Therefore Krishna is Akinchana Vidya. When one becomes finished of all his material opulences, then now I am realizing that I am not lost, I have gained. I have gained. That's a fact. So, to lose material opulences for Krishna's sake is not loss. It is the greatest gain. Therefore it is said, Akinchana Vidya. When one becomes Akinchana, nothing to possess, everything finished, then Krishna becomes the only riches for such person because he is devotee. Just like Narottam Das Thakur says, Aha Prabhu Nanda Suta Vrishabhanu Suta Juta Koruna Karaha Eiba. Narottama Daso kahe na theliyo ranga paye tumi bina ke ache ama. This position. Krishna, accept yourself. I have nothing to claim. I have nothing, no position. So don't neglect me because you are my only position. This position is very nice. When we do not depend on anything material, simply depend on Krishna. That is first class position of Krishna consciousness. Therefore, Krishna is addressed, Akinchana Vittaya. When one becomes impoverished materially, you are the only wealth. Akinchana Vittaya. Nama Akinchana Vittaya. Nirvitta Guna Vittaya. The result is that when one takes you as the only possession, immediately he becomes free from the activities of this material nature. That means immediately he is posted on the transcendental position of the Absolute. The Akinchana Vittaya Nirvitta Guna Vittaya Atma Ramaya. At that time, he becomes happy with you as you are, Krishna. You are happy with yourself.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.